Must be my lucky week. I'm back in electric again today. Back in electric conventional. So I'm bus 43. It's plugged in charging. Light says I can release it. So pull it out. Light should go out. And I come over here. It's a very long cord. And today it shows the summary. Okay, it costs $4.21 to charge this puppy overnight. Here's the inside, explains what all those little lights are on the charging port. My day is over in electric conventional. Charge the bus, open up the power port, take the cover off, set it aside, then going down, come over here. We're at Blink Charger 12. Take the extra cable off, unplug. This is what it looks like. Bring it over. Plug it in. Okay. Light flashes a couple times. Bus is making noises. Blue light means that it's charging correctly. And then the charging station says hello. In a couple minutes, okay, it's talking to the bus. This green light has now changed to a blue light to show it's charging the bus. Now we have a green light. Green light says stop blinking light, charging in process. So if any of the other lights came on, you knew there'd be a problem, you contact the shop.